So our immune system defends against harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria. If you think of the body like a castle, then the immune system presents two lines of defense. The innate immune system you could envision as the moats in the wall. It's there all the time. It recognizes many of these invaders and neutralizes them. The innate immune system you can think of as inside the castle and learns from past experiences, gets better at targeting a specific invading virus or a bacteria. And so between the two, basically the immune system protects us from invading harmful microorganisms. The immune system is essential to protect you, essential for health, but it can also adversely affect health. The immune system can mistakenly attack cells and tissues in your own body, causing autoimmune disease like rheumatoid arthritis, which is a disease of the joints, or multiple sclerosis or lupus. There are many autoimmune diseases. Even cardiovascular disease, the disease that causes heart attacks and strokes, has an autoimmune component. When we treat diseases such as cancer, the drugs that we use in chemotherapy can suppress the immune system, but we can also harness the power of the immune system to fight cancers. Here, we study how we can do this in an effective way and can fight cancer using the immune system. But when we look at all the tools we have in therapy, by far the most successful one is vaccination. Vaccinations prevent disease and death in millions and millions of people. Regular exercise, aerobic exercise, both help immune health. And don't forget about sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for the immune system. Many of the things that the immune system does depend on cells that are made actually while you sleep, and then they fight during the day. So yes, there are many things that you can do in your lifestyle to support your immune system. Nutrition is important. A balanced diet with vegetables and fruits is important, and also fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut can help because they help your microbiome, all the bacteria in your gut, and that they produce metabolites that influence the immune system. So it is good practice. A good diet, a good balanced diet will also support your immune system. Steer clear of highly processed foods. Highly processed means when you read the label and there's a lot of stuff there that you've never heard about, that's a highly processed food. Highly processed foods contain excess salt, excess sugar, and many other chemicals that are not good for you. Many snacks, chips, and things like that are highly processed foods, and they do not support your immune health. The flu shot and the COVID shot and these annual vaccinations are recommended by the CDC to prevent severe disease. These vaccinations are annual because the strains of flu change every year, and you've heard of the many strains of COVID that we've had. And so the vaccines adapt to that and evolve, and we have more advanced vaccines this year than we had in 2021. At the Immunology Center, we are excited about exploring vaccines and building new vaccines for other diseases that we don't have vaccines for today.